So hello everyone, in the last video we have talked about the UI UX of roles and permission. In this video I will show you the backend code structure of it. So let me directly show you that. So we are going to on VS Code and we are directly going to the staff route and we are page.jsx. Okay, so what we are actually doing here, we are actually getting all the staff data regarding this clinic. Okay, so whatever the staff this clinic owner has been created is going to list over there. So how I'm actually doing it? So on a staff page we are going to fetch all staffs, and you can see here, first of all we are passing it through the after onboarding action guard. So whatever user ID check from session, clinic ID check from session, or whether this user, the logged in user, is allowed to do this or not, we are going to do this here. And after that everything is all good, we are going to like fetch all the data. And one thing you can see, the parameter view staff. So this kind of permission, does this permission include inside of this staff data in our database? So if this staff is having this permission, then only allow this. So let me show you how we're actually doing it. So after onboarding action guard, so here first of all we are doing like checking user ID, clinic ID, email and everything, and at the last we have is authorized or not. So we are going here, so you can see permission request, and here you can see we are checking staff the permission not include. So whether this staff is having this permission or not. If he is having this permission, then only allow, otherwise don't allow. And if he's owner, then like allow everything what he wants to do. So this is the way authorization and authentication check is happening before every action. So let me get back to SSR calls. So if everything is all right, we are going to get a staff list and we are going to return the serialize. Why serialize? Because this is Next.js and it returns the MongoDB object as well. So we have to serialize it before showing it on the UI, because JavaScript kind of thing, like it understands like that. So yeah, we have get a staff list, and it's as simple as like getting the data from the database. So as you already know all of these things. Now get back to the we have page.jsx. So we are getting the data, and you can see we have student IDs. I will show you that how this is all, like how all of this data is being returned in the next video. So yeah, data fetch is happening and we are passing it to staff list, and here we are like listing all of these things. Okay, like all of the data of the staff created by this clinic owner is being listed over here. So yeah, as simple as it. And here we have handle revoke and handle delete as well, handle revoke and handle delete as well. So how this action is happening, I'm going to explain you in the next video. So this is the way I have made this full application. So if you are a business owner, or if you have a clinic, or if you are related to something like healthcare, so if you want to have a custom software for your business, you can contact me. So meet you in the next video.